Today I'm making coffee. Well, it's not a real coffee, it's Arabic coffee. I call it Emirati coffee. So it's my first time making coffee for my parents and I hope they will like it. So I'm very excited. So let's get started. Now the coffee's gonna look like this. Now we're gonna make it. Now we get a coffee pot and start the gas, fill it up with some water. And get 2 cups of coffee, put it in the coffee pot. We wait 10 minutes and it needs to boil like this. Now we get the coffee pot and we put it at the cups. You can use any cups. You can use traditional cups, and I like the cups, it's nice and so on. Coffee is ready. I hope my parents will like it.